Now let's finish our text up by adding some icicles to it. What we're going to do here is we're going to create a new layer at the top, like so. And let's go into our brush tool and let's take our brush down quite a bit, like so, so we can actually paint in our icicles. So let's go up here and let's click on Shadow Dynamics. We're going to change this from pin pressure to fade. There we go, and as you can see, it's just going to fade out with each stroke. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here on our blank layer. We're just going to paint in our icicles like so. And as you can see, they're just going to kind of fade out on their own. Not much I can do, so let's increase my brush size just a little bit. What we're going to do is just create quite a few here. Like so. And let's close our brushes. Just create some on the ends here. Like that. We're just going to kind of quickly add a few in here like so. Now to give them that effect like we have on our letters here, all we're going to do is come over here and we're going to, let's add just a couple more before we do that. I'm going to add one here, like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click down here. Oh, let's click over here. We're going to right click on this. We're going to go ahead and click Copy Layer Styles. We're going to come up here and we're going to go Paste Layer Styles. And look at that, it's pasted our icicles. They're a little bit tough to see here, but either way, you can play around with them a little bit, actually add your little frosting layer mask that you have here, but that's pretty much the basics of it. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.